Love you, Bu and Ai.
Safely arrived at the airport. Time check, 8:20. 1 hour before flight to Bangkok. Hi, Mom. Hi, Finn. Hi, Ali. Love you. See you on Sunday. Bye.
On the way to boarding gate. 1 hour before the flight. Kami na ata yung last na nag-check-in. What time is your flight?
You should be here.
Munti ka na. Buzzer beater. Tapos yung boarding gate pa dulo. Oh, yabang kasi neto. Yabang neto eh. Kaya 1 hour, 1 hour.
We're in Singapore.
Nagdrama pa kasi kanina. Okay, we're going. Bye-bye. See you
And
later.
so, we're in. Sabi nila, last call na daw. Pucha, alas 9 na oh. Tinakot pa kami nung nag-check-in sa amin. We're Singapore. Next time daw, kailangan mas maaga sa 1 hour. Eh, nasa Singapore kami. Tayo eh. So, we're confident in 1 hour makakapasok kami. Hindi ka... Siyempre, hindi alam eh. O siya, see you Bangkok. Nakita pa namin si Hana. Bye. Shout out Jana.
And we're here on the way to the hotel.
Gutom na kami.
Gutom na ako. Gutom na kami. Sakto lunch. Tom Yum. Here we go. And Tata's adventure begins!
Up, painting sa mga kalsada.
Saan tayo? Punta kaming mall. Kasi gutom na kami.
Ayan o, ayun na.
Punta kami ng train station para mag lunch. Change outfit. Okay, see you later. Bye. Craving for Tom Yum. Magbubok na lang kami ng Grab. Kasi nga gutom na.
Book ng Grab real quick.
Babalik kami sa hotel. Doon kami magbubok ng Grab. We're in the car going to the mall. We haven't eaten lunch.
Smoothest stone, sitting with the
Currently,
rivers.
marami yung pila sa Kungkakwa. So, dito muna tayo. So, ito muna kakainin namin. Alright? Then the food trip begins. Okay, taste test. Bagong luto pa. Bagong luto pa. So, ibig sabihin nun, warm up muna tayo. Kain. Kubla. Here we come.
Hello guys!
Hello guys! Andito na kami. Kakain na kami kubla. Eto na. Mamaya ka na. Dami oh. Daming tao. Ganda naman ng asawa talaga. Thank you Lord, we're here.
Tata's adventure.
We made it.
We're here for Tom Yum, milk tea, what else? And Tom Yum and crab omelet. The Wagyu, what's this? Wagyu Chinamberlu.
Sulit. Sulit ang paghihintay. Alright. Where's our crab omelette? It's gonna be worth it. Yan! Yan ang pinaka-the best.
Actually, ito lang yung toppings.
Dapat lang.
I'll let you taste this one.
Sarap yung sauce.
Yum.
Hindi ka na mahirapan mag-himayo.
Ano to? Ba't ang may taste no? Ba't
You'll be surprised.
ha?
You'll be surprised.
Ito? Bakit?
Hindi, tingnan mo.
Squid! Nantikman ko nito kanina.
The squid. Coconut yan. Ano naging squid yan?
Wala pa ba? Uy, oo nga. Coconut meat. Tingnan mo naman. Pure crab meat. Tapos yung mga crunch pa ng mga green, no? Tagal chumay. Grabe yung busog namin sa ano,
Crab omelette.
sa crab omelette. Nadja-jervulan na kami. Ako din. Now we're looking for
Power bank.
cover pang kasi si Chunky nalolopat na. Eh, malamang sa malamang, mamayang gabi pa kami uuwi nito. Hindi pwedeng walang charge. Okay, we're looking for the gadget store. Buyers. Later! From Siam, we're going to MBK. Walking distance lang ata. Here's the train station. Here's the Siam. Mall hopping. Yun lang gagawin namin dito. Mall hopping and kain. That's all. Say hello to Ganda. Kala na ako saan dalhin ang paa. Toodles! Later! Chunky's buying the exclusive t-shirt for Thailand. So, tatawid na naman po tayo ng kabilang mall. Papunta sa MBK. Are you happy? Happy siya kasi nakabili na ng t-shirt. kabila. Walking at EDSA Taft. Pink Bridge. Sabi ko sa inyo, wala kaming gagawin dito hindi mag-mall hobby. Ano nga?
Balik ulit ng Siam para abutin ng Siam.
Punta kami ng Siam and then punta kami ng Central World. Yun lang. Here's the Bangkok at night. There. Then, MBK. Bumili lang si Changmi ng casing ng phone. Actually, parang ano lang siya. 168 mall, gano'n. So, magwa-walkathon kami, go to another mall. We're here at Jot Fairs. BGC Night Market. So, akala namin sarado. Kasi yung kabila, walang ilaw. Yung pala, nandito sa kabila. So, we're here now. Dami. Wala, nakaharap. Crocodile kebab. Kakain ka? O, yung insect.
Pwede pa. Pero
ang kaya ko lang yung maliit. Yung maliit. Pero, hindi ko na kaya. Thank you.
dito mo na kayo na eh.
Shake it.
Shake it pa.
Shake it.
Shake it. Shake it.
Shake daw. Patay na. Nakakashake ko.
Ganyan ka para hindi tumalod. Go. Yeah.
Oh my God, Dad.
Umipitik pa. Umipitik pa. Eh. Tsura mo.
Sarap.
Uy, buhay pa. Buhay pa sila pare.
Dance ka daw. Kasi dancing shrimp. Ano? Sarap.
Ay.
Gusto daw kumain ni Changki ng pork. Eh, mukhang crocodile ata ito eh. Tingnan mo.
Thank you.
Mukhang buwaya yan, Dad, oh. Dad, sure ka? Sure ka pork with soup? Dad?
Bahala na si Lord.
Parang mukhang buwaya eh, oh.
Tinanong ko kanina eh.
Buwaya yung kakainin nito.
Diba kayo ako rin?
Tama.
Okay.
Oh, tama. Sarap!
Ayaw mag-focus yan. Ate Pete, we're at 7 Oh no, the goodies are there. This. Oh, the mangosteen. Oh no. There's Mom.
You show up at my door with some coffee and croissants. Went to my favorite store, cause you could tell it's what I want. I can't imagine more. It's been a dream and far beyond. Well, so then what am I so nervous for? Cause when it's good, just really good, then it should be too good. I know that there must be a catch, just waiting around for the record to scratch. But then you go again when you say I dream about you daily, and your face, it's a painting in the Louvre, baby. All your words like the screenplay in a movie storyline. But I get scared till I say, yeah, definitely, baby. Almost as if someone's
Train kami ngayon. Let's see how fast it is. Mga 40 minutes daw yung ano eh. 40? 50 minutes? Train ride? 30 minutes. So let's see. Punta kami Chak to Chak. See you in a bit. Hi, Miss Beautiful.
Hello.
Ito man, no? Love you. Hi, Ate Vin. Allison. Next time kayo naman kasama namin. Bye. Okay, pasok kami sa BTS. How do you pronounce this one, man? Paano pronounce to? Not.
Buying EasyLink. EasyLink? Hindi kaya dun eh.
Service namin. Ay, hanggang dun lang. Joke time. Kaya pala naandun. Ayun na, mochi. Mochi. Sabi na nga ba, dito lahat magbababaan. Lunchtime kasi. Sabi na ang sana saklo.
Just follow the crowd.
Then
we will
you'll be there.
Shot.
Ay, yung crowd. There's the crowd. And here are we. Here are they. Here we are. Basta yun na yun. Tourist spot nga talaga kasi siya. Welcome to the wilderness.
Daddy! Inumin lang, okay na.
Lakad na ulit.
Lakad na ulit.
Ito buko.
Bubuko ka na?
Can I?
Mine is pad thai.
Crispy duck.
Mine is Thai green tea. Oh, this is your favorite. The green one. Daddy, beer. Tapos may naka-ready yung coconut para kay Groty.
Crispy niya.
Okay dito kasi tinang may tissue. Let's taste this. The pad thai. Yum. Sarap. Sarap.
Crispy pork. Ah. Mang Tomas dapat dito yung gravy nila. Ah, okay, Mang. Masarap naman siya. Alright. Here guys.
Tapos ang lechon. Same. Here, right? Pag naubusan ka ng fund, oh, bangko. Nakapag-withdraw. Nakapag-withdraw na nga si girl. Kata ako. Oh, bye-bye. See you later. Cheese mango sticky rice. So pretty. Sana lang, no? How much? 60.
There you go. Sabi sa'yo manghang yan. Cheers!
Anghang, no?
Nice! Spicy version ng magoong.
Yeah.
Next stop. Aso. Alright, let's go! Ang dami lang ng pamili. Welcome to Asok.
Terminal 21.
Terminal.
We're back after
Few years?
with Ate Dois.
Yeah. Let's go. Massage muna tayo guys. Massage.
Just finish our foot massage doon sa baba ng MRT station. Okay na. Recharge na ulit kami.
Sasalita na naman po yung asawa ng mag-isa. Hindi ko alam kung ano.
Okay na. Foot massage lang yung kinuha namin. Tapos biglang
may neck.
pinaupo ako. Tapos dinaali yung balikat.
Ayun! May
Pak
20
na.
ka!
We're here sa Terminal 21. We're back after many years with Ate Dois.
Nakatulog din naman kami.
I got one. Sana si ito. I want this one. She's Alice. Sana.
$45 mo sa Singapore.
Sa Singapore, isa lang ito. Pero dito, apat na yung nabili namin. Okay na din.
Convince yourself.
Convince yourself. Nandito kami sa Terminal 21. Yung every floor may team yung floor. Anong team neto? Basta may team tong floor to. San Francisco, may Paris, may Japan. Ganun. I'll go Wiwi. I'll talk to myself first. Okay, yun lang. Buyers. Every CR pinupuntahan natin kasi nandun yung team. Oh, this one is Caribbean. Ayun. Ground floor. Currently, here's a room. See the Vespa. This is the same Vespa na inupuan and picture namin ni Chunky. Around 2014? 15. See, ito may upuan. Yung CR, hindi ko mapakita ang dami tao. Pero ang cute namang CR dito, promise. Let's go there. That's mine.
Walang masahe. Floating market tayo sa Icon Siam. Nice. Malinis na floating market. Na. Alright. See you with Kaupla. Bye. Hi, Mom. Alright, let's eat. Sakto. Hindi na pala kami nag-Kaupla. Dito na kami sa floating market.
Best pad Thai.
Best pad Thai after 3 days. Before we go head back to Singapore. Look, everyone is walking around, just eating. Bahala na kayo. Okay? Eating while standing. Ardaw baba agad. Thank you, Lord, for this. Many more. Bye. See you, Ate Pin and Allison. Ciao. Round 2, salmon. Cravings ni Mommy. Alright.
Hey, let's get it on.
Let's see how fresh the salmon is. Dito ka, layo ka ng konti. Ito ka naman background natin. Ito background natin. Yan. Ano ka, nasa Japan? Nasa Thailand ka, uy.
May touch ng Thailand.
Okay. That's great.
Sarap.
Daddy's turn.
Sarap, no? Kain mo yung bawang.
Okay. Up.
Yum, no? Thailand style.
Yeah.
Sarap ng green.
Kanin naman tayo, kanin.
One more?
Ilan na lang ba yan? Isa na lang. country.
I've learned that there's an art to
Hi.
changing.
Okay, taste test.
I'm the potter and the
Dito mo lang sa Thailand kung magagawa. Kumain ng pineapple fried rice ng mga Thai.
marble bed.
Kain ka.
Every stroke of brush, every finger's touch is a rosy cheek of a love-struck flush, is a sunburned wing of a heartbreak crush, is a rush. Feel the rush. You're a painting Frida Kahlo, lead the muses like a Cavallo, all the colors layered on kaleidoscope.
That concludes our Icon Siam floating market. Townhouse lunch adventure. See you again. Bye. On the way to airport. All right, going back to reality. See you mga anak. Love you. See you Ate Fing, see you Allison.
You're a painting Frida Kahlo, lead the muses like a Cavallo, all the colors layered on kaleidoscope. You're a sculptor like Bernini, grow like branches did on Daphne, turn a living into art. Life's the Louvre and you're the Mona Lisa. Masterpieces take a lifetime.